welcome to Calendar Math Time. Today is Wednesday, April 22nd, 2020. All right, let's start by counting our days of the month. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Excellent job. Let's do tally marks. We are counting up to 22. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Excellent job, friends. All right. Let's move over to our tens frames. If we have 22, that is our number of the day, how many full tens frames are we going to have? I think we're going to have 2 full tens frames and some left over. Let's see if we're correct. Okay? All right, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22. All right, so we did have 2 full 10 frames, right? So 2 full tens frames. When we draw it, we need 2 of our 10 sticks. 1, 2. So that's 10, 20, and we need 2 ones. 1, 2. So that's what 22 looks like when we draw it. All right, let's look at our days of the week. Friends, what is today? Today is Wednesday. If today is Wednesday, what was yesterday? Yesterday was Tuesday. And if today is Wednesday, what is tomorrow? Tomorrow is Thursday. All right, friends. So your challenge for today, I'm going to go ahead and give you your challenge for the day so that you can work on it in a little while. But we have some other things that we're going to do. But before we change our board, let's talk about our challenge. Your challenge today is to draw 15 squares. Draw 15 squares. Now let's remember what a square looks like. A square has 4 sides and they are all the same length. All right? So a square looks like this. There are 4 sides and all of the sides are the same length. All right? So your challenge today, sometime today, I want you to draw 15 squares. Okay? All right. Miss Elle's going to move these things out of the way, and we are going to look at another skill. Okay, on Monday, we talked about more than, and more than meant that one had a bigger number. All right? Yesterday, we talked about less or less than, and less than was the smaller number. Today, we are going to talk about equal. And equal means the same. There are the same number of dots in each set. Okay? So we will begin to do this the same way we did with more and less. We will count our dots and then we will decide if they are equal. Okay, so let's start with this top square. How many blue dots do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 blue dots. Now let's count our red dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 blue dots and 4 red dots. Are those equal or the same? They are. We have the same number of both. So we're going to circle that one. Okay? Let's look at our next square and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 green dots. Now let's count our purple dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 purple dots. Friends, are these equal? Do we have the same number of green dots and purple dots? We don't, do we? They are different. So we are going to put an X through that one. Okay, let's look at our next square. Let's count green dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 green dots. Let's count purple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 purple dots. Are those equal? They are, aren't they? And notice, friends, just like more and less, it doesn't matter what the pattern looks like for our dots. We just have to count how many, right? All right, last problem on this. Let's count our red dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 red dots. And let's count blue dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 blue dots. Are those equal or the same? They're not, are they? 4 and 5 are not the same. They are different, so they are not equal. All right, friends, we are going to do 2 more activities together. So let me put this poster up. We are going to practice adding on a 10 frame. Okay, and the way we are going to do this is we are going to fill in dots from our numbers. Elle's having trouble getting my marker open. My goodness. All right, so for this problem, we have 3 plus 4. All right, so the way we're going to do this in our tens frame is since we have a 3 here, I've underlined the 3 in blue. We're going to put 3 blue dots in our tens frame. All right, so we're going to do 1, 2, 3 blue dots. Okay, how many red dots are we going to have? We're going to have 4 red dots. So we're going to say 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to add those 2 numbers together to see how much we have. Now I know that in a 10 frame, there are 5 on the top row and 5 on the bottom row. So I can say I have 5 up here, 6, 7. I can add that way, or I can just start at the beginning and add the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So how many do we have if we add 3 plus 4? We have 7, don't we? Okay? Let's look at our next problem. We have 3 plus 2. So let's fill in on our tens frame 3 blue dots. 1, 2, 3. And we need 2 red dots. 1, 2. Now, friends, again, we can count these by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or a quicker way to do it, if we have a tens frame and we know that there are 5 on the top row and 5 on the second row, if my whole top row is full, what is 3 plus 2? 3 plus 2 is 5, right? All right, last addition problem, friends. We're going to do 3 plus 7. So how many blue dots do I need? I need 3, don't I? 1, 2, 3. And now I'm going to do 7 red dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So friends, I have a whole 10 frame covered with 3 plus 7. So how many is that? If I have one whole 10 frame covered, I know that I have exactly 10. Okay? All right, ladies and gentlemen, the last thing that we are going to do today is practice some counting. Now, yesterday, your challenge was to count from 0 to 100 to someone, right? And then we had to count backward from 10 this week as well. So today, we are going to start at the number 65. We're not going to start at number 1 today. We're going to start at 65 and we're going to count all the way up to 82. All right, so as we're counting, if you want to clap your hands or if you want to stomp your feet as we say the numbers, or you can tap your legs, you can do jumping jacks as we do it. I want you to do something with your body as we count. Now, Miss L is going to clap my hands softly because I want to make sure that you're able to hear the numbers that I'm saying so that you can make sure you're saying the correct number as well. Okay, so we're going to start at 65. Ready? I'm going to say 3, 2, 1 as I clap, and then we're going to start. Ready? 3, 2, 1. 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82. Good job, friends. How did you do? I bet you did a great job. So your challenge for today, remember from earlier, we talked about it. You're going to draw 15 squares on a sheet of paper. And if you had any trouble counting from 65 to 82, you can practice that as well. Just make sure that you clap or tap or jump, something to do with your body while you're counting, okay? All right, friends, that is it for calendar math for today. Today is Wednesday, April 22nd. I hope you have a fantastic Wednesday, and I will see you tomorrow for more calendar math. Have a great day.